We have two paths for mechanical technology. We have machine tool and we have design. The design side is more geared towards the drafting portion of it. So you have to make the drawing according to the ASME standard or whatever standard your company works to. So we teach you how to make a professional drawing, one that can be sent anywhere in the world, and those parts can get made accurately every time.
Highlight some of the cool new technology that we've added in the past few years. We have cutting-edge 3D printers that are multicolor machines, super fast with automatic material systems. We have robotic systems for our automation and industrial maintenance training. We have new CNC machine tools that we've added to the shop just in the past few months.
This industry is in very dire need of skilled people to do these jobs. A lot of retirements happening, not enough people to fill the gap. Companies are moving towards automation, which is great, but we need people that know how to design automation, how to program automation. So that's what we're teaching here.